Accell's USB-C to HDMI adapter allows you to connect to 4K displays at 60 Hz. How you doing, folks? This is Jeff Benjamin with 9to5Mac. Accell's USB-C to HDMI adapter features USB 3.1 Type-C, it features HDMI 2.0, and that affords it the ability to connect to 4K displays at 60 Hz. Now, I know you guys and gals are smart, so you're probably wondering to yourself, how is this possible since USB-C supports a maximum of HDMI 1.4b, which maxes out at 30 Hz? Good question. Well, instead of going directly from USB-C to HDMI, the adapter uses DisplayPort alternate mode to take the signal from the source, which is your MacBook Pro, and then it takes that DisplayPort signal and converts it to an HDMI 2.0 compliant output. And this all happens unbeknownst to the end user. All you have to do is plug in an HDMI cable and then plug in the opposite end of that cable into a display that supports HDMI 2.0. When you do that, you get 4K at 60 Hz. So unlike the previous AUKI adapter that I recently reviewed that was HDMI 1.4b only and it only supported 30 Hz maximum, you will have to supply your own HDMI cable with Accell's adapter, and that actually can be advantageous because that gives you the flexibility to provide your own cable. Maybe you need a specific length of cable or whatever the case may be. You simply plug in that cable into the HDMI output on the Accell adapter, which is right here. And then on the opposite end of the adapter, you'll find the USB Type-C connection, and that goes into your MacBook Pro. So it couldn't be easier. This thing is bus powered, so it doesn't need any external power. Just plug it into your MacBook Pro like that, and then simply plug in the HDMI cable like this. Super simple, super easy. Now you take the other end of the HDMI cable, plug it into your 4K display that supports HDMI 2.0. I have it hooked up just like this. And now we're ready to go ahead and test this out to see if we're actually getting a 4K signal, but not just a 4K signal, a 4K signal at 60 Hz. So let's test it out. And what do we see right here? 4K, not at 30 Hz, but at 60 Hz. And it works just as advertised, so you can easily connect your MacBook Pro to an external 4K display at 60 Hz using this adapter. So ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Would you consider adding Accell's USB-C to HDMI 2.0 adapter to your ever-growing repertoire of MacBook dongles? Let me know down below in the comments section, and thumbs up if you appreciated this video. This is Jeff with 9to5Mac.